Modding the classic racing game Revolt and got BKG car texture files. These contain custom vehicle skins for the radio-controlled car racer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Revolt car texture files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful BKG inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A .bkg file is a texture file used by the classic racing game Revolt to define the appearance of a car's body. Users encountering this file are typically part of the game's modding community, seeking to create or install custom car skins to personalize their gameplay experience. The .bkg format is essentially a standard Windows Bitmap .bmp image file, often 256 by 256 pixels with an 8-bit color palette that has been renamed. This simple design choice made it incredibly accessible for the modding community to edit textures using any basic image editor, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of custom content. The BKG proprietary design mandates association with Revolt from Acclaim Entertainment. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows displays only the file shell, so full interpretation must occur in game-related applications. To ensure maximum compatibility, right-click the BKG file and click Open With. Test Revolt if it appears. If not, choose another program. We are finding the specific software hook. If you still can't open the BKG file, it's okay. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific BKG error. First, using Revolt tools. Install Revolt modding tools from the active Revolt community, such as RVGL, the maintained version of Revolt and associated content creation tools. The tools support BKG File Format for installing custom car textures into the game directory. Place files in appropriate cars subdirectories following the game's content structure. Next, converting to standard image. Some BKG files can be opened or converted using image editors with appropriate plugins or community-developed conversion tools. Convert to BMP or PNG for editing in Photoshop, or GIMP, creating modified versions. Convert back to BKG format for installation into Revolt, enabling custom texture creation and modification. Finally, installing custom cars. Revolt community sites such as Revolt.io distribute custom cars with included BKG textures. Download complete car packages and install according to community instructions, typically extracting to the game's cars folder. The new cars appear in the game's car selection menu, enabling racing with custom vehicles created by community modders. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.